Welcome to our channel, where we're dedicated to helping you achieve your fitness goals from the comfort of your own home. Today, we're tackling one of the most common fitness goals, achieving a flat stomach. Whether you're aiming to rock that bikini or just feel more confident in your own skin, we've got you covered. No gym membership required. In this video, we'll guide you through a series of effective home workouts designed to flatten your stomach in just 1 week. So, let's dive in and get closer to that dream physique. 1. Core Crusher. We're kicking things off with a killer core workout guaranteed to set those abs on fire. Let's start with 30 seconds of bicycle crunches, followed by 30 seconds of Russian twists. Keep that core engaged and push through the burn. Next up, we have plank jacks for 30 seconds, followed by a 30-second rest. Repeat this circuit 3 times for maximum results. Remember to focus on form and control throughout each movement. You've got this. 2. High-intensity interval training. Now, it's time to ramp up the intensity with some HIIT exercises to torch those calories and reveal those abs. We'll start with 1 minute of high knees, followed by 1 minute of mountain climbers. Keep up the pace and give it your all. Next, we have burpees for 1 minute, followed by a 1-minute rest. Repeat this circuit 3 times to really feel the burn. HIIT workouts are a great way to boost your metabolism and burn fat, so push yourself to the limit. 3. Pilates Power. For our final workout, we're slowing things down with some Pilates moves to target those deep core muscles. Let's start with 30 seconds of single leg stretch, followed by 30 seconds of double leg stretch. Focus on controlled movements and engage your core throughout. Next, we have 30 seconds of the 100, followed by a 30-second rest. Repeat this circuit 3 times to sculpt and strengthen your core from every angle. Pilates is not only great for toning your abs, but also for improving flexibility and posture. Congratulations on completing our 1-week home workout challenge for a flat stomach. Remember, consistency is key, so keep up the good work and stay dedicated to your fitness journey. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more workout tips and routines. And don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know how you're feeling after completing these workouts. We love hearing from our viewers. Until next time, keep pushing yourself. And remember, you're 1 step closer to reaching your goals. Thanks for watching.